we are learning our favorite topic, matrix. In our previous lecture, we have learned application of matrices. In this lecture, we will start with second method, that is method of reduction. If you think about this method, then in exam there are 99% chances to ask question on this method of reduction. So this is very much important method, or we call this as the star or IMP question. Let us see first the method of the reduction. In this method of reduction there are 5 steps. Step number 1, write the given system of linear equations in the form of matrix equation, that is Ax equal to B. Then second step, if you get this matrix equation Ax equal to B, then we will use elementary row transformations, because unknown x is post factor. Here x is post factor and this A is prefactor. So in this method we will use only row transformations to convert this A into another matrix. So the second step is to convert or use elementary row transformations on matrix A and B simultaneously, such that matrix A get reduced to either upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix or diagonal matrix. We have 3 options here, that we can convert this matrix A to upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix or diagonal matrix. We will see example on each. Then after that, after getting the upper triangular matrix of matrix A, we will rewrite the matrix equation. Rewrite the matrix equation means new matrix equation. Rewrite new matrix equation in reduced system of linear equations. As we reduce this matrix A to upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix or diagonal matrix, the whole system gets reduced into new system. We call that as reduced linear system of linear equations. After that, now once again we have system of linear equations. That system is reduced system, so we can easily solve them by the method of elimination. So solve reduced system or new system of equations by method of elimination, that we have used many times in solving or solution of linear equations, and at last obtain the required solution. Required solution means the values of x, y, z, whatever given in system of linear equations. So once again, see here in this method of reduction, what is the first step? We will write the given system of linear equations in the form of matrix equation. So that is important to remember. First, convert the system of equations to matrix equation. In second step, use the elementary transformations on A and B simultaneously so that A get reduced to upper triangular matrix, or A will get converted into upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix or diagonal matrix. In third step, rewrite the new matrix equation in reduced system form of linear equations. So this is a reduced system. So the number of variables remains same, but the number of terms get reduced. And in fourth step, solve those system of equations by method of elimination. So you have to use here method of elimination and obtain the required solution. That is the last step. So let us follow these 5 steps to obtain the solution of given system of linear equations by using method of reduction. For that, we will take one example here. I will write the same here in this half portion. Write the system, given system of linear equations in the form of matrix equation. Ax equal to b. Then use elementary row transformations on A and B such that A get reduced to upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix or diagonal matrix. Then rewrite the new matrix equation in reduced system of linear equations. And solve new system of equations by method of elimination. So this is the method. Let us solve one example using this method. Solve the equations 2x, let us take one example from this, that is x plus y equal to 5. The second equation is 3x plus 5y equal to minus. By method of reduction, we are solving these equations. For that, what to do first? First step says that write the given system of equations in the form of matrix equation Ax equal to b. So write this equation in this form. So we will write here the given system of equations can be written in matrix equation as Ax equal to b, that is A is 2, the coefficient of y is 1, this is 3, 5, x is 3, y is 5, matrix X is column matrix of x1 and matrix B is column matrix of constant, that is 5 minus 3. Here you can write A is equal to this, B is equal to this, and A equal to this. This A is matrix of coefficients, B is matrix of variables, and this X is matrix of variables, and B is matrix of constants. So this is our first step. Now in second step, what to do? Use elementary lower transformation so that this matrix A get reduced into upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. So to convert this into upper triangular matrix, but we need 1 at this stage. So we will operate here by, this is 2 minus 3 we get minus 1, and we need actual 1 there to obtain 0 here. So we will subtract this with negative sign. So by R1 changes, so that with negative sign R1 minus R. So 2 minus 3 gives minus 1, and minus minus plus 1. So by this we get 1, then this minus this is minus 4, its negative is plus 4 into no change in xy, that is equal, again 5 minus of minus 3 is plus 8, its negative is minus 8, and minus 3 as it is. Second row remains unchanged. Now we can easily reduce this 3 to 0 using this 1. So here the next step, by R2 changes such that R2 minus 3 times R1. 3 minus 3 will get 0. So therefore we get matrix equation as 1, 4. This minus 3 times is 0. This minus 3 times, that is minus 12. So here we get minus 7 into xy equal to minus 8 as it is, R2 minus 3 times of this. 3 times of this is 24. Its negative becomes positive, minus minus plus. So 24. 24 minus 3, that is 21. So here we get upper triangular matrix, because this is our triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix, because they have made here 0. So let us write at this stage, if we get upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, remember this, either upper triangular or lower triangular or diagonal matrix. Here we have obtained upper triangular matrix. So rewrite new matrix equation in the reduced system of linear equations. Now write linear equations here. So taking multiplication, we get, therefore 1x plus 4y means x plus 4y. And taking matrix multiplication, this is 0 minus 7y is equal to these constants minus 8 and 21. So we get these two equal matrices. By equality of matrices, we get system of equations as x plus 4y equal to minus 8 and minus 7y is equal to 21. So this is the system of linear equation, or reduced system of linear equation. We call it as reduced system of linear equation, or linear system of reduced linear equations. Now we can solve these two equations by the method of elimination, by using method of elimination. What to do? Use method of elimination. From second equation we can easily get the value of y. So solving these two equations again, now we get, let us write equation number 1 and 2 there. This is 1, this is 2. Therefore equation 2 implies, that is 7y equal to minus 21, and that implies y equal to minus 3. So this is the value of y. Now use this value of y to obtain the value of x from equation 1. Now equation 1 implies x equal to minus 8 minus 4y, which implies x is equal to minus 8 minus 4 into value of y is minus 3. So it is equal to minus 8 plus 12. Therefore, x equal to 4. So we get value of x equal to 4. In last step, obtain the required solutions. Hence, we get x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 3 as the solution of given system of equations. Let us check whether this solution is correct or wrong. X equal to 4 and y equal to minus 3. If you put x equal to 4, then this becomes 8. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Here 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 15, that is equal to minus. So our answer is correct. So remember these 5 steps. Let us see one example of system of equations containing 3 variables x and y. Let us see example number 2. Solve the system of equations as x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 6. Second, 3x minus 2y plus 5z equal to 5, and 2x minus 3y plus 6z equal to 7. Whenever these 3 equations are given by the method of reduction, obviously by reduction method of matrices, let us follow the first step, that write the given system of equations in the form of matrix equation as Ax equal to b. So here we get these equations as therefore we get here equation as the coefficients of x, y, z are 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 5, 3, minus 2, 5, and last 2, minus 3, 6 into x is x, y, z, small x, y, z here, that is equal to, by observation, 6, 5, 7, matrix of constant is 6, 5 and 7. So we can easily write this matrix equation Ax equal to b. Here this is the matrix of coefficients, this is matrix of variables, and this is matrix of constants. Now this is our first step. In second step, we will convert or transform this matrix A to upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. I will convert this in lower triangular matrix. For that, lower triangular matrix means triangular will be at this situation. I will denote the triangular here. We will obtain triangle here in this way. So we will make these 3 elements zeros. For making these 3 elements 0, we will convert this first element 6 or last element 6 into 1. So by for obtaining 1 here, we will subtract this R2 from R1. 6 minus 5, it will give 1. So by R3 changes as that R3 minus R2. Here, as we are obtaining lower triangular matrix and we are converting this prefactor A into lower triangular matrix, so we can't use here column operations. So by this first operation, R3 changes R3 minus R2, we get here changes in R3. So first R1 1 3 2, and second row 3 minus 2 5 remain unchanged. Now this minus this gives us minus 1, this minus this gives us again minus 1, and this plus 1 into this xyz is equal to 6 5 r3 minus r2, so you get here 2. This is first operation, by which we get here 1. Now we can easily obtain zeros at these two positions. So for that, by r1 minus twice r3, r1 changes that, r1 minus twice r3, and r2 changes as that, r2 minus 5 times r3. Okay, therefore r1 and r2 are changing, r3 is same, that is minus 1 minus 1 1. In r1 is minus twice of r3, r1 is r1 minus twice of r3, so we get here 0. This minus twice of this, minus minus plus, so 3 plus 5, that is 8. Here this minus this twice, so plus 2, so we get 3. Then r2 changes minus 5 times, so 3 minus 5 times this means plus 5, so we get 8. Here r1 minus twice of r3, not 8, minus 2 means plus 2, plus 3 5. Here r2 minus 5 times this, so this is plus 5 minus 2, that is plus 3. 5 minus 5 times 0 into the second matrix, that is xyz, is equal to the RHS. There will be change in r1 and r2. r1 is minus twice r3, this minus twice, that is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. Second, r2 minus 5 times r3, 5 times this is 10, so 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Last element, no change. So that will be second step. Now in first step, what to do? We have to make this 5 0. For that, we will multiply this by 5 by 3 and we will subtract it. So therefore, here now by r1 minus 5 by 3 times r2. We will write r1 changes such that r1 minus 5 by 3 r2. So that we will get 0 here, because 5 minus 5 gives to 0. If we multiply this 3 by 5 by 3, then we get here 5, and it can be subtracted from this 5, so that we get it is equal to 0. So we will perform this operation. Okay. Let us perform that. Therefore, we get here first r1, 3 minus of this, 3 minus 5 by 3 times 8, so it is equal to, this is 40, 9 minus 40, that is minus 31 upon 3. So first element is minus 31 by 3. Second element, obviously this will give us 0 here, so 0. No change in third because both are 0. This 0 and this 0. Now the next second row, that is 8 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 into second matrix xyz equal to the constant r1 will change. This is minus of 5 by 3 times, so r1 is 2 minus 5 by 3 into R2 is minus 5. So this will become plus 25. Plus 25, this will be 6. 6 plus 25 is 31. So it is 31 upon 3. Second and third elements remains unchanged, that is minus 5 and 2. So here we get now lower triangular matrix in which these upper 3 elements are 0. Let us take the multiplication of these two matrices. By using the property of multiplication of two matrices, we get here minus 31 by 3 x plus y into 0 plus 0 into z equal to 31 by, this is our equation. Now 8x plus 3y plus 0 0. 8x plus 3y plus 0 z is equal to minus 1. This is second equation. And last equation, minus x minus y plus z. Minus x minus y plus z is equal to 2. This is equation number. So here we get 3 equations which are reduced because here is no y term z term, here z term is absent. So we can easily solve this. From first equation we get value of x is equal to, here 3 will cancel, 31 also will cancel, remains minus 1 only. So x equal to minus 1. Okay, x equal to minus 1 here in this equation we get 8 into minus x minus 1 plus 3y equal to minus 5. So this is minus 8, taking this to the right it becomes plus 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3y equal to 3 implies y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. Now obtain the value of z from this. So equation 3 implies x is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 minus y is 1 plus z equal to 2 implies z equal to, this is minus minus plus 1 and this minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will cancel, z equal to 2. So z is equal to 2. So we get, let us check whether these answers are correct or not. X is minus 1, y is plus 1, z is equal to 2. Put in this equation. X is equal to minus 1. So we get 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into y is 1, sorry 3 into y is 1 plus 2 into z is 2. Check whether the answer is 6 or not. This is minus 1, this is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Similarly, check for second. This is minus 6, so minus 3. Minus 2, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 10, that is equal to 5. Obviously, last will also satisfied. X equal to minus 1, so minus 2. Minus 3, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 12, that is 7. So our answer is correct. So you can write last step. Therefore, the solution is either in this form, x, y, z is equal to order treated of minus 1, plus 1 and 2. So that is the solution of given system of equations. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to plus 2. So in this way, if you follow the method of these 5 steps, then you will reach to the correct answer. Okay. So this much is our method of reduction.